Hey everybody, this is Jimmy Blevins. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Bloom opt-in form with your Mailchimp account. So first off, we're here in our dashboard. You'll want to select Bloom and then opt-in forms. We're going to go with Mailchimp because it's pretty versatile and we can set up a free account to do testing with, so that's always nice. So this is the only time you'll have to do this. Once you add an account in here, it'll save it for any form that you want to do in the future, which is nice. So now that we've picked Mailchimp as our email provider, we want to put our account name in here. So I'm using my Weave account. And this is, you put in your Mailchimp username or the email address associated with it here. And then your API key, we're going to need to get that from Mailchimp. So let's come over here. I've got Mailchimp already up here in a different tab, logged in with my testing account. And to get to our API key, all we need to do is come up here and click on account. And then we're going to click here on extras and API keys. And I've already got one set up in here, I think. And they're really easy to do. They're really easy to set up. You literally just click here on create a key and it'll create a key for you just like that. I've got this one called test API and here's my key. But that's where you get your API key. So now I come back in here, paste that in, and I click here on authorize. What that's going to do is communicate with Mailchimp and grab my account information. So here we have select email list. I've already got one set up in my Mailchimp account called Testy Tutorials. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And that's all we need to do. Your Mailchimp account is integrated. And anybody that signs up on this opt-in form, they're automatically going to get added to this Testy Tutorials list in my Mailchimp account. And the one last feature we've got, disable double opt-in, and this is totally up to you, it's your preference. If there's double opt-in, what that does is when somebody signs up through your opt-in form, they're going to get an email from Mailchimp saying, hey, you signed up for this, with a big button in there to say, yes, I did sign up for this, click on it. And that just kind of keeps the spam down. I recommend that you do this, and here's why. Your lead capture should be people that are really interested in your product. And if they're going to take an extra step to get on your email address, you know that they're just that more invested in whatever it is that you're offering, your product or your service. So instead of making the process as easy as possible for people, it's okay for them to have one or two extra steps because that's going to show you who's really interested and who's ready to buy. So again, it's up to your preference. I usually leave the double opt-in checked, so to make sure that people have a double opt-in, just the way that I do things. So that covers how to get to your Mailchimp account integrated with your Bloom opt-in forms. Once again, my name is Jimmy Blevins, and thank you so much for watching.